Today we're going to
SeaWorld.
Excited, our first time here. So we are excited to try out some water slides, check out Infinity Falls. And go on some roller coasters. And a little dolphin, cutie. So cute. We're gonna check out Mako. You excited to go?
I'm so excited!
Yeah.
Esta mierda fácil.
Uh-oh. Nice breeze. Nice music.
Oh, no.
Here you go.
Good night.
¡Está muy bajo! ¡Está muy bajo!
Cállate, cállate.
¡No ven! ¡No ven! ¡No ven!
Oh my God. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Oh no. That's different.
How was that? What did you think of that?
That was awesome. It like dips in. Doesn't just go down. No. You go all the way up and then down and in.
Front row is pretty sweet. We're
awesome.
probably gonna ride that one a couple more times.
Yes.
Next is Infinity Falls. We walked on our boat in Infinity Falls to get super wet. Wearing my GoPro.
An amazing ride that will expose you to forces, speeds, and other intense features that
Backlit ride number 2. And like 5 minutes. Oh.
Okay, what's that?
We are. Whoa, feet wet already. Woohoo!
I'm gonna win. Ew.
And water, no! Woohoo, that was wet! All down my back. Uh-oh, we're going down. Oh, yes! Woo. That's a start. Keep your feet up, Jess.
I know, that's why my feet are up right now.
We have a pool in here too.
Oh, you guys are gonna have squishy shoes. Oh, yay! Nice little cool down. Refresh. This is like if you win by the first part, this one will definitely.
Let's spin. Let's spin.
Oh, that was not as terrifying as I thought.
Oh, this one works. I got it. Oh, dude.
Got me. Totally wet. Whoa! Whoa! Going up.
That is so cool! It's like an elevator for boats. That is the coolest thing I think I've seen in a long time. Whoa! Did you see that? It like comes down and then it pushes you off.
It's pretty cool.
I'm so excited! Oh, you guys are gonna get the worst you guys.
Here we go.
I'm so excited!
Intense music.
Woohoo! No! No!
Hold on.
Oh, you got the worst of it.
Look how soaked we are.
Not very wet, especially my back. It's everything.
Can't really see mine in the dark. Or colors, but soaked. Look behind you. Look above you.
Small tooth softer swims through a school of fish and swings its toothy snout back and forth to influence. Why do you think its mouth is underneath its body?
Sharks are found from sandy, shallow beaches to the deep, dark ocean. Where the only light
It's pretty cool. The shark looks like a mini whale shark. I wonder what it is. It's an interesting tail. So many cool sharks, guys. Sharks, 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 sharks. Everybody. That's the Sean shark. He likes to rest in bed all day. I'm kidding. Not kidding. I like to rest.
Standard sharks are not regarded to be dangerous unless the world.
We ate at Voyagers. I got some food, the brisket and a carrot cake. We got
The fries for the hour.
yeah, we got the all day dining plan for free.
Yeah, this would have been $45.
$45 it would have been, which is crazy. So we saved almost half the price of one of the tickets we got, and we have some more food to get later on, once every hour. And we're going into Antarctica. We have a cool penguin exhibit out in Calgary that we've shown you before. Let's see how it compares.
Ready to explore all on his own. In this one. And discover the wonder of his own reflection in the ice. Slides and glides into a cavern icy.
And look at the penguin. the penguin exhibit. Some cooler spots on ours. Pretty cool. Rockhopper looks like he's going to do a backflip into the water, or poop in the water. Another cool thing, they have a little snow here for them. They can walk right up to you.
I love their Pride Rock.
Ooh, I'm so cool. Pride Rock.
Penguin style Pride Rock.
Penguin Pride Rock. So cool. I'm Virginia. Oh, another guy. Another viewing area from inside. Going on the journey to Atlantis. I forget the name now. Exciting! Row 4! We found it! Something. Look at that. We're going up. I have no clue what's going on. It's our first time on the ride. You can kind of see Manta.
At the bottom of the hill.
Oh yeah, right in the face. We're on Kraken, Jesse.
Release the Kraken.
Uh-oh. I've not been on an upside down roller coaster since Disneyland. And it's only one loop.
Like Shaq can do this.
Losing shoes?
I wonder if he can do anything.
Oh!
That was a fun start.
That's where we're going.
Who's ready to taste some pickles?
Pickles? Ah!
Eat a pickle.
Do not throw up your pickles. Ah, my feetsies!
Think about cute shoes.
Foot models. Oh no, I'm scared. Stop.
Still going up.
Whoa!
I thought it was gonna drop.
Here we go. That was crazy. That was totally wobbly. I'm dizzy. Oh my. Are you still there?
I'm here. Woo, that Kraken.
That was sweet.
That was Kraken.
That's Kraken lacking. That was Kraken lacking. We made it to Sesame Street. Hello. birds.
Oh, nice.
Story time.
Yes.
It's cool.
Oh, we have a splash one.
Little splash pad.
Hey, why don't you go follow somebody else? I'm sleeping here.
Knock on the can, Jesse.
What happens if I knock on this can?
Knock on the can.
Hey, Spot and I are trying to have a mock bath in here. Square!
On top of the can.
Hey, I'm trying to sleep here. Square!
That's so funny.
They're Dixie chickens.
Hello. Here.
Look, it's Elmo.
Hey,
It's G for Gabby. Oh, that's a quick little walkthrough. It looks like a fun little area for the kids. Jessie's been going through all the lines without a bag to get her candies that she so loves. But it's cool that their little Halloween party is throughout the whole day for every guest. Definitely check it out. And SeaWorld. Look, a walking whale. Have you seen one of those before? In line for Manta. We did not record audio here, but bzzzoop. Insert noise. We had an awesome day at SeaWorld today. Our favorite ride was Mako.
Yeah.
What's your favorite ride here at SeaWorld? Let us know if you've been. If not, check it out. The all-day dining deal was
It was worth
crazy
it.
deal.
Yeah.
We got it for free though, so
Yeah.
can't complain.
No complaints here.
With that said, Bow Venture
Venture is
out
out
there.
there.